In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom background image in Power BI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a background behind your visuals, choose the right sizing option, and fine-tune transparency so your report stays clean and readable. First, open your Microsoft Power BI app on your desktop. Once it's up, go to one of your reports, the page where you want the background to appear. It's a good idea to take a quick look at your visuals and text before you start so you know how bold or subtle your background should be. On the right panel, click on Format Page. This is where you control the look and feel of the report canvas. Next, click on Wallpaper. Wallpaper sets an image behind your entire page, so your charts and cards sit on top of it. Click Add File below Image, then select your image from your computer and click Open. Power BI will place that image behind your report content immediately. Now let's make it look just right. You can change the image, fit from fit, stretch, and fill. Fit keeps the whole image visible without distortion, which is great if you want to preserve the image's proportions. You may see empty margins if the aspect ratio doesn't match your page. Stretch forces the image to cover the canvas in every direction, but it can distort the image if the proportions are different. Fill covers the entire page without stretching, but it may crop the edges to maintain the original aspect ratio. If you're using a logo or a detailed graphic, fit is often safest. For abstract textures or patterns, fill can give you an edge-to-edge look without warping. You can also adjust the transparency. This slider controls how strongly the image shows through your visuals. If the background is busy or dark, increase the transparency so your charts remain legible. A more transparent image is usually easier on the eyes and helps labels, legends, and titles stand out. If your visuals feel washed out, lower the transparency slightly. Aim for a balance where the background adds style without competing for attention. A few quick tips as you experiment. Choose high-resolution images to avoid blurriness. Subtle textures or soft gradients often work better than highly detailed photos. And keep brand colors in mind to maintain a cohesive look. If something feels off, switch between fit, stretch, and fill to see which option aligns best with your layout. Then fine-tune the transparency until everything reads clearly. That's all there is to it.